Need something fast but full of flavor? This Veggie Stir Fry Bowl is a quick win. Colorful, balanced, and ready before you can say dinner's done. Here are the ingredients for this quick stir fry. Simple veggies that cook fast and bring big color. We've got onions, pepper, carrot, broccoli, peas, cooked rice, soy sauce, and a little oil to bring everything together. Add a drizzle of oil and toss in sliced onion, bell pepper, and carrots. Let them cook until they start to soften and pick up a little color. Cut your veggies about the same size. It helps them cook evenly and keeps every bite just right. Now toss in broccoli and any quick cooking veggies you have on hand. Frozen blends work great here too. A splash of soy sauce ties it all together. Add your cooked rice straight to the pan, mix it all up, and let the flavors come together for a minute or two. Simple, colorful, and full of everyday flavor. Proof you can make something great in minutes. The full recipe is in the pinned comment. See you next time.